Welcome to CyberPros. Metasploit Post-Exploitation. From shell to root enumeration. First, we'll launch Metasploit and use the vsftpd backdoor exploit against 172.19.0.4. Once the exploit provides a root shell, we'll run basic commands like whoami, id, and uname to gather initial information about the compromised system. Next, we'll rerun the same exploit to get a new shell, this time focusing on network enumeration. Inside the target, we'll execute ifconfig to see the network interfaces and ls/root to inspect files in the root users directory. Finally, we'll launch the exploit one last time to access highly sensitive credential data. In our new root shell, we'll use cat/etc/shadow to view the hashed passwords for all users on the system, which could be taken offline for cracking. If this helped you, please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.